In this short tutorial, I will show you how to increase the bass on Spotify using your iPhone. By adjusting the equalizer settings on the Spotify app, you can enhance the bass of the music you're listening to. To get started, open up the Spotify app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Playback. Then scroll down a bit and tap Equalizer. What you want to do next is toggle on this switch to enable equalizer, and then tap on the bass booster preset. As you can see, it changed the waveform. You can also manually tweak the equalizer and customize your listening experience. For example, if you want to boost the bass even more, you can adjust the frequencies to something like this. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.